How to post longer text on Twitter. So first is you have to go to your Twitter application here. Just open that and it will lead you directly to your homepage. Now, on the bottom part, you will see a plus icon there, the blue one. Just tap on that. And here you can be able to write your tweet. So let's say you're telling a story or something. So you just have to tap on that or write everything up until it's on its limit. As you can see, there is a highlight on 3 letters, meaning that those letters are now exceeding. So just have to delete on that. Now, if you want to continue your story, here on the middle part, you will see a plus sign icon there again. Just tap on that and it will continue your story. So let's say you're already on the limited words and letters. So you just have to tap on plus sign again to continue your story, and basically it goes on and on. And here you will see tweet all. Just tap on tweet all. Now let's see here, let's go to your profile, and as you can see here, the story or your tweet that you have actually uploaded are now connected to each other. And basically that is how you post longer text on Twitter. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Twitter application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.